In this video, I'll show you how to change the internal battery in a Hyundai Santa Fe key fob. This key fob was used between 2007 and 2012 and uses a CR2032 battery. If yours looks similar but has two buttons, that's actually the one for the Santa Fe for these years. But this is the same exact key fob, same procedure, so just follow along and I promise you'll be able to change your battery. All you'll need is a flathead screwdriver and one of these batteries. If you'd like to get one online, I will leave a link down in the YouTube description to get one on Amazon for just a couple dollars. Now, what we're going to do is just target this little slot on the top of the key fob. Put our flathead screwdriver in, gently twist. Twisting like that will begin to separate the two halves of the key fob, and you can finish it off with your fingers just like that. If these batteries fall out, that's okay. I'll show you how to fix that. Best thing to do is just have the back side up, twist like that, and remove it just like that. But I'll show you what to do if your if your buttons fall out. From here, or from here, you can take your flathead screwdriver and push on the bottom lip of that battery to begin to move it out until we can remove it with our fingers, just like that. Now go ahead, get a brand new CR2032 battery. Make sure the positive side with this battery information is facing up, and slide it right back into this metal area until it sits firmly in place. I'm going to take our little rubber and circuit board here, set that to the side, and put the buttons back. These two are connected, they go back in place very simply. And now we have this hold button. If I can pick that up. And so we're going to hold this in place. See that this is the top of the key fob, so the button needs to go like that. Just flip this over, carefully put it into place, and now all of the buttons should sit flush just like that, and you can put the rubber and circuit board on top of them to keep them in place and reconnect the two halves of your key fob. And now you can see the light comes on, meaning you did everything correct and your battery has juice in it. That's all it takes. Very simple. If this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like, and if you'd like more information or a complete guide, go to the link in the YouTube description to go to fobbattery.com and see the full Hyundai Santa Fe tutorial. Thank you for watching.